Is virtual healthcare the future in Canada? Hi, this is Andy from kalkinemedia. You are watching Kalkine Wellness. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. The COVID-19 pandemic has vastly changed the way we live. And one of the most visible transformations is not only the way the wellness revolution has been in full swing, but also the increased use of healthcare facilities in general. From getting tested and seeking medical treatment to consulting for all types of illnesses, people have been reaching out to doctors and their healthcare practitioners of choice more often than usual. Due to lockdowns and physical distancing measures, an alternative approach to access medical support has been via online support. Online appointments and techniques, while virtual healthcare was a reality even before the pandemic, it is now leading a transformation in the healthcare sector in Canada. So, what are virtual healthcare services? Well, virtual healthcare is widely dependent on replacing in-person services with extended technological solutions such as video conference and calling, and text-based appointments, and healthcare mobile apps are even leading the way. Before COVID-19, only 4% of the primary healthcare services were reportedly virtual. This number rocketed to 60% in the pandemic-ridden year of 2020, according to a survey by Canada Health Infoway, a not-for-profit organisation. The same survey also highlighted the rising popularity of virtual healthcare services among people amid COVID, with 9 out of 10 Canadians feeling that these facilities can serve as an alternative to in-person visits. Some 80% of the participants also pointed out that the government should promote and invest in healthcare technology. According to the Canadian Medical Association, the CMA, younger groups are more likely to opt for virtual checkups to access mental health services. CMA's study also points out that over 50% of people aged between 18 to 34 years will likely use a telehealth service from mental health practitioners. Things are certainly changing. So, are virtual healthcare services useful? I guess of course. In fact, convenience is the biggest advantage of virtual health services. A Cisco global survey indicated that 74% of people prefer these services because of the easy access as compared to in-person interactions with medical practitioners, even though that face-to-face interaction can be better, especially with psychological services in dealing with things like rapport. It also benefits people who live in remote locations or have difficulty in travelling. For instance, a person sitting in Toronto can easily consult a doctor in Vancouver via such telehealth services. You can also make appointments with specific physicians who might not be available at your nearest healthcare facility when you need them. In other words, telehealth services expand your access to healthcare assistance beyond your immediate radius. But are there any cons too? If there are pros to a service, of course, there will be a few cons as well. We mentioned a few before, but although the virtual health services industry is all set to grow in the future, it has some practical and technical problems. For example, our existing virtual healthcare infrastructure still needs a lot of improvement. A large share of the staff was not only fully trained for alternative healthcare practices before the pandemic hit, now they're being even more trained, hence getting them completely looked after and trained as per requirements remain a crucial aspect of this. It is also important to digitalise health records so that a patient is not subjected to improper treatment based on incomplete history. According to reports, digitalising health records will be a tedious task, especially in remote areas. All in all, at least in urban areas, virtual healthcare services have proved to be a boom, especially as families do prefer to remain indoors and practice social distancing amid the pandemic. If you have other thoughts though and you like this information or you would like to make comment, please like and share, and do make the comment on the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And press that bell icon to make sure that you get notifications for our latest videos. For regular updates and information, log on to our website also, kalkinemedia.com. This is Andy Liu from Kalkine Media.